Hey, we're here to go ahead and unbox this XFX 1250 watt power supply. Basically enough to power a small city. We're going to be pushing this to some R9 290Xs. Want to make sure they definitely get enough power to do what they need to do. We're going to go ahead and unbox this thing and take a look at what it comes with and what it looks like as well. Go ahead and just cut the tape on this. We'll take a look and see what's inside of it. So it looks like we just got another brown cardboard box in here. And this is my third XFX power supply. I've been pretty happy with them. I've never had any issues. So just a little instruction manual here, some specifications about the power supply itself. Let's see, the top box here is going to be all of the cables that come with the power supply. Let's take a look and see what comes with it. I have a multitude of cables. We got our motherboard power cable here. Nice braided cable. It'd be nice if it was all black, but definitely doesn't seem to happen very much with power supplies anymore. Got looks like a Molex connector for power. A smaller Molex and fan cable. Some SATA cables. Another Molex power connector as well. Let's see what we have here. Looks like some more SATA power. Some more Molex. Definitely has a lot of cables to power whatever you'd like to do. It's got a lot of connectors on it. So it could be a 12. It looks like that's a PCI Express cable as well. It's either a 6 or an 8. It definitely has enough cables to connect it to really power whatever you want it to do, being a nice big power supply. Some more SATA power here as well. And another Molex. Wow, that's a lot of Molex connectors in there. Looks like we have some PCI Express cables here as well. Got, looks like 4 of them total. Excellent. Got some screws, some thumb screws here to put it in the back of the case. Nice long power connector. Let's take a look at the power supply itself. Now, I think a lot of power supplies aren't very cool looking. They're a little bland. I personally, in my opinion, like the looks of these XFX power supplies. Excellent, there you go. Looks nice. You see it's got the nice silver railing on it as well. A flatback. Look at all those connectors that you have there. It does have the power switch, so you can turn it to use a little bit less power if you want to. Kind of that eco fan setting. So it'll either fire up the fan when it needs to or keep it constantly running. You have the choice to do that. Go ahead and take that off. Nice flat black. Now I will be running this with 2 R9 290X FXX video cards. That's a mouthful. Our on-off switch. Pretty basic, but still kind of cool to take a look at. If you have any questions, throw them down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those for you. If you want to see me install this and the full build that this is going into, look in the description and you'll see all of the links to all the videos. I appreciate you watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.